Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong love reading for January 2023. So, if you are interested in your love life, so maaari kayong maka-resonate dito. But of course, this is just a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay and pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, Sag. What is up, Sagittarius? Sa inyong love life. Queen of Wands. Oh, you are enjoying. Pwedeng yung iba hindi ganun kaseryoso pagdating sa relationship. You just want to have fun, enjoy life. But there is someone is very interested in you. Can be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Wow, medyo to. Hindi siya nagsasabi. Meron kang secret admirer. Maybe because nakikita nila na ang ganda ng energy mo. Alam mo yun, you're shining, you are confident sa sarili mo. And because of that, you are attracting people na parang they are attracted to your energy. They are attracted to your light. But yung iba, pwedeng nahihiya or hindi sila ganun ka-open sa feelings nila towards you. I also see some changes in your mindset pagdating sa pakikipagrelasyon. Pwedeng, yun nga, maaaring hindi ka ganun kaseryoso. Tipong, you just wanna have fun. Yan, oo. Non-committal yung energy na kukuha ko rito. Pwede kasing may mga nangyari sa'yo in the past na naging dahilan para umiwas ka muna sa commitment pagdating sa relationship. Gusto mo lang munang i-enjoy yung freedom na meron ka. And if there is someone na magkakaroon ng interest sa'yo at gusto mo rin, then why not, no? I mean, you want to get to know that person. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun na magsisettle ka na, no? Kumbaga, you just want to enjoy your life. I'm tired of being away from you physically. I'm trying to process my fears so I can come back to you. So, possible din na yung iba sa inyo, hindi pa rin kayo totally, parang kumbaga hindi nyo pa kino-close yung chapter ng past para sa inyo. Yung parang, it's your way of coping sa nangyari in the past. Yung iba umaasa pa rin na baka may babalik. And you just want to have fun. Ganon. Ayan, may karmic ties kasi. I'm feeling controlled by people around me. And I don't like it. It's pushing me to find my power again. Siguro, yung iba, alam niyo yung tipong may love naman dun sa relationship. Kaya lang, you might be, pwedeng itong person na to ay yung persons from the past, medyo siya, controlling sa'yo, and you don't like it, na tipong nililimatahan niya yung mga ginagawa mo, yung mga gusto mong gawin. And dahil doon, kumbaga hindi sapat yung love para magstay ka sa relationship na yon, kaya ni-let go mo, kasi you want freedom, you want independence. And kahit na ganon, you are still not ready to move forward sa isang seryosong relationship. So that's why you just want to explore other connections, friendships, dating, ganyan. Please don't give up on me. I'm trying to change but it takes time. Oo, ito yung tipong gusto mo pang ma-enjoy yung life mo eh. Yung gusto mo pang pwede kasing yung person from the past ay ready na mag-settle down tapos ikaw hindi pa. So, ang tanong is kung kaya ka ba niyang hintayin. Pero habang naghihintay siya, gusto mong i-explore yung buhay mo. Gusto mong i-explore pa yung experiences. These feelings overwhelm me and I become afraid. Sometimes I even run away from you because of it. Oo. So, siguro may mga times na hindi mo na makontrol yung emotions mo kapag masyado kayong nagka-clash, no? Nung person na to, nagkakaroon ng conflict. So, instead na magkasakitan pa kayo, or mag-worsen or lumala yung pain sa relationship ninyo, yung iba sa inyo, yung pinili nyong humiwalay, umiwas. Pero it doesn't mean na para sa inyo tapos na yun, no? Parang, lay low, ganon. Or, alam nyo na, may iba parang cool off, ganon. May cool off pa ba? Oo. Or, walang closure to eh. That's what I'm seeing here. Where is this relationship going? So, I think, gusto mo pa rin tong person na to, na hintayin ka. Kaya lang, ang tanong, handa ba siyang hintayin ka? Willing ba siya? Kasi pwedeng, pag dumating na dun sa point na ready ka na mag-decide or nakapag-decide ka na siya pala talaga yung gusto mo, baka siya hindi na siya available sa iyo eh. Oo, baka siya na yung umayaw. So kung talagang gusto mo tong person na to, then kailangan mong tanggapin kung ano yung kaya niyang ibigay. Pero kung sa tingin mo hindi yun sapat, then you have to move on, no? Pwedeng bigyan nyo na ng closure itong relationship na to para pareho na kayong maka-move on. Express love through gifts. A small token of love can convey great appreciation. Yes. So I think isa sa naging issue nyo is yung appreciation sa effort na binibigay ng bawat isa. So pwedeng nag-e-effort ka, may mga times na hindi niya na-appreciate, or may effort siya, hindi mo na-appreciate. Choose love. You always have a choice. Meron ka raw laging choice. Choose, make yours with love. So, I think, depende na to kung sino talaga yung mahal mo. Yung person na yon o yung sarili mo. Oo. Or itong bago na to. But I doubt it kung itong bago na to yung gusto mo. Kasi mukhang you just want to, get to know people but not settle. Demonstrate love. Find out what is important to those you love and act on it. Yan. Kung talagang mahal mo, you will definitely show love to this person. Baga hindi lang siya sasabihin, gagawin din. And if your person, yung person from the past, kung gusto niya talaga na ipaglaban ka, gagawa siya ng paraan. But I think kasi parang alam mo yung right love at the wrong time. Hindi kayo magkaiba ng vision or pangarap para sa relationship ninyo. So this might pwede tong mag-lead talaga sa total closure ending ng relationship. Okay? So this is your reading, Sagittarius. Kung nagustuhan niyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Sagittarius. See you again.